Hi there everybody, and welcome to day 2 of my yarn advent unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed the one yesterday, and I just want to make clear as well, the little unicorn themed purse slash pouch, obviously you can use that for whatever you want. It doesn't necessarily have a specific use in mind. It could be for your stitch markers, which is what I think it probably was for in the first place. Or obviously you can use it for whatever you like, but to be honest, my daughter has claimed it anyway. So we're going to move on to number 2. So you'll just have to bear with for a moment while I find it. Oh, here we go, it wasn't too bad. So here we have number 2. Let me just zoom in a little. Here we go. So again, sweet wrapping paper. Ooh, these look like quite bright colours on this one. Wowzers. So I think this one's going more for the mermaid side. So I think yesterday was a little more unicorny on the theme, and I think this one is definitely a little bit more of mermaidy colours. So we've got some really bright, bold greens in there. They're really, really gorgeous colours. And again, as I said yesterday, all of these ones are DK. I chose the DK box. So these colours are amazing. And already I'm thinking of what I'm going to make at the end of these just from the first 2 boxes, and I'm really excited. So that is day 2. I hope that you will join me again tomorrow for day 3, and we will see what else lies in store. But thanks for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.